Kendal. We're here to do a spa repair today.
Hi, my name is Rafael.
We're from Rafken Spa Repair. We've been doing the repairs now for over 25 years. Our customers trust us. They know they can call us with any questions or set up repairs as needed. Coming back to the truck to get a part for the repair today so the customer could be in the spa tonight once I have it repaired. As you can see, it's very important to keep a good inventory so you're not coming out many times for one repair. I'm going to grab the part. Just getting ready to finish up the spa repair, so I'm going to go inside the control box and check your amps so the spa is performing properly. Grab the amp meter. Spa will be turning on low speed first, and the pressure switch will engage. And once the spa turns on, the relay will drop and let the heater get the power so I can pull the amps off of it and make sure it's operating properly. Getting the correct reading on the amp meter. I have 15.2 amps. Repair is done. I'm going to close it back up now and put the cover back on the spa. The spa will be ready in about 5 to 7 hours from now. Well, nothing else will need to be done other than you maintaining the chemicals and cleaning the filter. I'm going to put the cover back on because the temperature's just flying away. And it's just a waste of money. So when we get done here, we're going to put the cover back on and you open it up as needed for your chemicals or when you're using it. Just remember to keep it closed when not in use. Don't forget to call us if you have any questions or need any help with the spa. We're there for you. Have a great day.